Today, I'm going to show you how to add images to your Wix website, such as a logo, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and wait for the editor to load. On the left side, click Add Elements. From there, choose Image. Next, click Upload Image. A window will open where you can browse your computer. Take your time. Then select the picture you want to add. This is usually where I upload my logo. Once the image uploads successfully, click Add to Page. Your picture will appear on your site, and you can gently drag it, resize it, or place it wherever it fits best. This is a simple way to make your website more personal and professional. After you're done positioning it, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it. Your image is now added to your Wix website. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.